What if the fastest way to live off dividends wasn't about waiting 20 or 30 years, but about using the right mix of high-yield income and smart portfolio structure to accelerate your timeline? That's exactly what we're going to break down today, using two interesting income-focused investments, STRF and STRC. These aren't your typical slow-growth dividend stocks. They're designed for income. And when used correctly, they can dramatically change how fast you start generating real cash flow from your portfolio. But the key word here is correctly, because there's a right way and a risky way to approach this. Let's start with the big picture. Most traditional dividend strategies rely on low to moderate yields, usually somewhere between 2% to 4% per year. If you wanted to generate $36,000 annually, you would need roughly $1.2 million invested at a 3% yield. That's a huge number, and for most people, it can take decades to reach that level of capital. That's why investors start looking for alternatives, something that can generate higher income with less capital up front. Now, this is where STRF and STRC come into play. These are high-yield income tools that can potentially offer around 10% or more in annual income, depending on market conditions and structure. If you apply that same $36,000 annual income goal, but instead of a 3% yield, you're working with a 10.5% yield, the amount of capital required drops to around $342,000. That's a massive difference. Instead of needing over $1 million, you could theoretically reach the same income goal with less than a third of that amount. That's the power of high yield. It compresses time. It allows you to generate meaningful income with less capital. But at the same time, it introduces new variables that you have to understand before relying on it. Let's break this down further by looking at how these two actually function within a portfolio. STRF is designed to provide a more stable and predictable income stream. It offers a fixed dividend structure, which means you generally know what to expect in terms of income. This makes it easier to plan your finances, especially if your goal is to rely on that income for everyday expenses. Stability is critical when you're trying to replace a paycheck because your bills don't fluctuate just because the market does. On the other hand, STRC offers a variable yield, which means the income you receive can change over time. In some periods, the yield may be higher, and in others, it may adjust downward. This flexibility can be beneficial when conditions are favorable, but it also means your income is not completely predictable. That's why STRC is often seen as a more aggressive income tool compared to STRF. Now here's where things get interesting when you combine the two. Instead of choosing between STRF and STRC, many investors can actually benefit from using both together. Think of STRF as the stability anchor and STRC as the income accelerator. By blending a fixed yield with a variable yield, you create a portfolio that balances predictability with higher income potential. Let's put some numbers behind this to make it more practical. If you invest $50,000 and split it between STRF and STRC, and we assume an average blended yield of around 10.5%, you're looking at roughly $5,225 per year in income. That's about $437 per month. At this level, you're already generating meaningful cash flow that can cover part of your expenses. Now, increase that to $100,000. At the same yield, you're generating about $10,500 per year, or roughly $875 per month. At this stage, your income starts to feel real. It can cover a car payment, groceries, utilities, or a combination of smaller expenses. At $250,000 invested, you're generating around $26,250 per year, which is roughly $2,187 per month. At this level, many people start thinking seriously about income replacement. If you can keep your expenses under control, this level of income can cover a significant portion of your lifestyle. Now let's go further. At $500,000, you're generating about $52,500 per year, or around $4,375 per month. At this point, depending on your lifestyle and location, you may be approaching full income replacement territory. This is where STRF and STRC start to show their real power, not just in generating income, but in compressing the timeline required to reach financial independence. But here's the part that often gets overlooked. High income doesn't automatically mean low risk. In fact, in most cases, higher yield comes with higher risk, and that risk shows up in different ways. First, there's concentration risk. These investments are tied to a single underlying company and its financial structure. That means you're not diversified across multiple sectors or hundreds of companies like you would be with a broad market ETF. Concentration can amplify gains, but it can also amplify losses. Second, there's indirect exposure to Bitcoin. While you're not directly buying Bitcoin, the company behind these instruments holds a large amount of it. That means the performance of Bitcoin can influence the financial health of the underlying structure. When Bitcoin performs well, things tend to look strong. When Bitcoin experiences volatility or declines, that pressure can flow through the system. Third, there's the trade-off between income and growth. When you focus heavily on high-yield investments, you're typically sacrificing long-term capital appreciation. That means your portfolio might generate strong income, but it might not grow as quickly in value as a more traditional growth-focused portfolio. So how do you balance this? The answer is simple, but not always easy to execute. You combine strategies. Instead of putting all your capital into high-yield investments right away, you build a layered portfolio. You use STRF to provide stability, use STRC to boost income, use growth investments to ensure your portfolio continues to expand over time. Now, let's talk about the 5-year perspective, because this is where compounding and income strategy really come together. If you take a $100,000 portfolio and reinvest all income generated at an average yield of 10.5%, you're not just earning income, you're accelerating your compounding. Over 5 years, your income can grow significantly, assuming you continue reinvesting and maintaining your allocation. At the same time, if you include growth assets in your portfolio, your total portfolio value can also increase, giving you a stronger base to generate income from in the future. The only thing better than income is income growing over time. And when you combine income and growth, you're creating a model for sustainable freedom. But the real strategy here is balance. Use STRF to provide stability, use STRC to boost income, use growth investments to ensure your portfolio continues to expand over time. And most importantly, reinvest your income when possible to accelerate compounding. Because the fastest way to live off dividends isn't just about reaching a certain yield, it's about building a system that works over time. A system where income is consistent, capital continues to grow, and risk is managed intelligently. And that's really the goal. Not just to live off dividends, but to do it in a way that you can sustain for years, even decades. Because true financial freedom isn't just about reaching the destination, it's about staying there. And if you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to Money Stick Unfiltered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.